Happy Divine Namaste. Hi, this is Aaron Prateep Birla. I wish you happiness, prosperity, abundance, well-being and loads amount of money. This video I am going to talk about Codes Amplifier. Now basically before that, talking about Codes Amplifier, imagine a life where you don't remember, you don't need to remember codes. Imagine a life where you don't need to become Gajni by writing numbers on your body. Imagine a life without multicolor sketch pens keeping handy to write which code with what color. And imagine a life which will not let you chant the numbers. This is the life with codes amplifier, which amplifies any codes, whether it is sacred code, whether it is angel codes, whether it is GG codes, whether it is Lloyd Mayer code, or any other code, Augusta's codes, every code it amplifies. The process is very simple. With you now, I am giving you a live demonstration with the client of mine, so I am not going to share the name and details. But here I am giving healing to her for shingles, which is 514543222. So I'll just place it over this and keep it, and the broadcasting will start happening, and simultaneously the codes will also start getting amplified. So मैं अभी फ़िलहाल के लिए उल्टा रख रहा हूँ इधर, because I don't want to share the actual details of the client, because it is a live client which I am doing right now. But in other example I can share, say, I always love talking about money related, financial related topics. So I'm giving you my example, Arun Birla. So here I am keeping financial abundance 318798, attracting customers 71588, unexpected money 5207,418, and increase sales. There are two numbers which I have mentioned, and I just place it and it is started broadcasting and amplifying for myself. I did one video before this, but there were some glitches in that, so I was not able to upload that. But when I did that, I immediately received two different payments. The amount was not very big. The payment can be verified with one of my client, which she just did 5 minutes back when I was doing the first video. The amount was 999 plus 555. सो रात के 11:30 बजे अगर मेरे को ये रखने के बाद में 2 मिनट 3 मिनट बाद अगर मेरे को पेमेंट आता है, तो इट मीन्स इट इज़ वर्किंग. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग दैट यू आर गोइंग टू बिकम फिल्थी रिच और करोड़पति और समथिंग लाइक दैट, मिलीनियर ओवर अ period of night time. Gradually it will increase. Most important part is your intention, faith, let go, and be grateful for whatever you have. If you have any queries pertaining to this, if you want to buy this, it is available in 5 by 5 inches on 300 GSM laminated, that is double laminated. And the best part about this chart which I love is I always use this particular graphic, विच इज़ बेसिकली मैं इसको हमेशा बोलता हूँ ये रामायण और महाभारत के तीर हैं, बिकॉज इफ़ यू सी क्लोजली इनटू इट, इसमें सारे एरोज बने हुए हैं, ऐसा लगता है रामायण और महाभारत के सारे इसमें ही आ गए हैं. सो बेसिकली इट डज वॉट, इट क्लेंजेस ऑल द नेगेटिव एनर्जीज, स्टैगनेंट एनर्जीज, अनवांटेड एनर्जीज फ्रॉम द एंटायर चार्ट. So because it is connected to the chart on the exterior walls of it, so what it is does, आप जो भी इसमें रखते हो ऑब्जेक्ट को, नंबर्स को, फोटोग्राफ्स को, वो सारी चीज़ों में से नेगेटिव एनर्जी, अनवांटेड एनर्जी भी निकालता है. सो इट्स अ वेरी पावरफुल चार्ट. If you want to know more about it, if you are interested in buying, below are my details. Till then, take care, God bless, and make a fantastic life ahead.